Which heavy-duty truck battery is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, we're breaking down 5 of the best options on the market. Product number 1. Moly Magnolia Battery Terminal Connectors. First up, we have the Moly Magnolia Battery Terminal Clamp Connectors. Priced at just $8.59, these caught my eye for their practical design and solid reviews. If you want reliable connections for your truck's battery, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These connectors feature a 4-way design made from high-quality brass and steel, providing excellent electrical conductivity and reducing voltage distortion. This means a more efficient power transfer, which is crucial for heavy-duty vehicles. Plus, with compatibility for various vehicle types, including trucks and vans, it's versatile enough for almost anyone. Now, some people complain that the installation can be a bit tricky if you're not used to working with automotive wiring. Here's the thing though, if you follow the clear labeling on the connectors, it's manageable. So if you're somewhat handy, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need reliable battery terminals that won't corrode quickly. Skip this one if you're looking for something that works right out of the box without any adjustments. For under $10, it's a solid value. Now, if that slight installation challenge bothered you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Spurtar Battery Disconnect Switch. Next, let's talk about the Spurtar Battery Disconnect Switch, priced at $15.99. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to prevent battery drain. If you're frequently not using your truck, this is definitely worth a serious look. What makes this switch stand out is its 200 amp continuous rating, which allows it to handle heavy-duty applications with ease. This means it can safely isolate and secure your battery connection, preventing unwanted electrical drains and fires, a real concern for any heavy vehicle owner. The ease of operation is also a plus. The toggle switch has a satisfying click, making it easy to turn on and off. However, some users have mentioned that the installation can be a bit confusing, especially if you're not experienced with electrical systems. I'll be real with you. If you're not comfortable with wiring, you might want to consult a professional. But once it's installed, it's a great asset. This is perfect for you if you want peace of mind, knowing your battery won't drain when not in use. Skip this one if you're not willing to tackle the installation process. Given its functionality, it's a solid buy. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for quick battery boosts. Product number 3. TOPDC 4-gauge jumper cables. Now we have the TOPDC 4-gauge 16 feet jumper cables, retailing at $24.98. These are a must-have for anyone who needs to jumpstart their truck reliably. If you want powerful, durable cables, this is worth a serious look. The standout feature here is the heavy-duty construction. These cables are crafted from high-density copper-clad aluminum, which ensures superior electrical conductivity. This means they transfer power quickly and efficiently, which is essential when you need a jumpstart. Plus, the alligator clamps are designed for maximum grip, so you don't have to worry about them slipping off. On the downside, some users felt the cables were a bit bulky for casual storage. Here's the thing though, their durability is worth the extra size. If you're serious about your truck, bulky cables that can handle extreme conditions are what you want. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself in situations where a jump start is necessary. Skip this one if you need something compact for easy storage. For the price, you really get a lot of value here. Now, if that size issue concerns you, the next product is a bit more compact with a lot of power. Product number 4, Optima Yellowtop D34/78 battery. Next, we have the Optima Yellowtop D34/78 battery, priced at $309.99. This is a premium choice for those who need reliable power on demand. If you want a battery that handles high electrical demands, this is worth a serious look. This battery offers 750 cold cranking amps, CCA, and a reserve capacity of 120 minutes, which means it can power your truck even in extreme weather. It uses spiral cell technology, which allows for better performance and resistance to vibration. This is crucial if you're driving on rough terrain. Plus, it's maintenance-free, so you can focus on the road instead of battery upkeep. However, the price is definitely on the higher end. Some might find it hard to justify spending over $300. But if you're using your truck for demanding tasks or in extreme conditions, the investment pays off over time. This is perfect for you if you rely on your truck for work and need a battery that won't let you down. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option. For what you get, it's a top-tier choice. Alright, that's a solid investment. But if you're looking for a slightly more affordable option with great starting power, the next one might be just right for you. Product number 5. Optima RedTop 3478 Battery. Finally, we have the Optima RedTop 3478 battery, available for $262.86. This battery is a fantastic option if you want reliable starting power without breaking the bank. If you need a dependable battery for standard electrical demands, this is worth a serious look. With 800 cold cranking amps and a reserve capacity of 100 minutes, this battery delivers impressive starting power, even in tough conditions. It also features the same spiral cell technology as the YellowTop, meaning you're getting some serious performance and longevity. Plus, it's also maintenance-free, making it super convenient. Some users pointed out that it may not last as long under heavy electrical loads compared to the YellowTop. But here's the thing, for everyday use and standard demands, this battery shines. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable battery that's not overly expensive. Skip this one if your truck has extremely high electrical demands. Given its performance, it's a great value for a premium battery. So, to wrap things up, the Moly Magnolia connectors are great for reliability at a low price. The Spurtar switch offers safety for your battery. The TOPDC jumper cables ensure you can always start your truck. The Optima YellowTop is a powerhouse for high demands, and the RedTop is perfect for standard needs. Each option has its strengths, so choose based on your specific needs.